I'm sure as healthcare workers, public health officers, midwives, nurses, doctors, you see patients.
I am Dr. Lamin Jaita. I am a consultant general surgeon and a surgical oncology fellow at the Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital. I'm also the president of the Solis Foundation, which is a nonprofit organization that is active in cancer awareness creation and prevention. The program that we have today, it's the Nationwide Breast Cancer Training Initiative for Healthcare Workers. And this initiative is actually in line with trying to create awareness about breast cancer amongst healthcare workers. We've realized that here in the Gambia, we have a lot of patients who come to the hospital or the health facilities at a very late stage. And most of this is due to lack of awareness of patients when it comes to breast cancer symptoms and signs. But a part of that late arrival of patients to those healthcare facilities is perhaps the healthcare workers not being able to recognize early breast cancer in order to be able to refer patients to the right center. So what this training is doing is trying to train about 300 healthcare workers, that's doctors, nurses, midwives, and public health officers about breast cancer. What are the early signs of breast cancer? How do you detect breast cancer? And when you do get breast cancer, or you find breast cancer in a patient, where should you refer that patient to? We also talk about things about palliative care, how to communicate properly with patients in order to tell them about breast cancer, in order to ensure that they know what the disease is and they'll be able to follow through their treatment plans. So some of the challenges we have in this country when it comes to breast cancer is the fact that we do not have all the facilities when it comes to diagnosing and treating breast cancer in all the regions. So it's important that we are able to recognize at least breast cancer, that is the healthcare workers. A nurse, when she sees a patient, should be able to tell that this might be breast cancer and know that they can refer, for instance, to Banjul so that that patient will be able to get the care. So at the end of this training, what we're hoping is that we would be able to see earlier cases of breast cancer diagnosed and patients getting the treatment at the right time so that we'll have the right outcomes when it comes to breast cancer in this country. Ntetomu Dr. Lamin Jaitalati, ntemu Dr. Rolti, be specialized in cancer operational. Be local Loptan Balto, Banjul Loptan Bato, or in the foundation of Financial Kafumi, Solis Foundation, Nimu Association Olti, Mimbe Gamamang Atamta Cancer, Mol Kamutandiki Cancer, and Fanang Ke Marco Inatra Cancer Nimbela, Inyanta Tala Daminto. So be the training ke kam base janne data banko la Karjamalto, data North Bank, data Central Bank, West Coast, so be mbe basele Upper River region. So na in training ning lafta min kala wala min be jata kende abundato wala no solti doctor rolti public health officers nata pour ke hakulo blandi ke karandi breast cancer munem breast cancer ti andu fare ba sutela mo bala nyaadi le de lilo min nambe nyinke kan najala ko jama nim patient sol futata loptano to e ka tardo sotole and wo tardo nyin dobe ja katara patient do bala wa dobe je fanan ni tata loptano to abuka sute so natale pour ka make sure de doctoral in no sol in courant nyin isa sute no katabake isa jo patient to mi in courant nyin soto isa rifano loptano nyin to isa jo ka se treatment to soto anyanta soto la nyami na lonko na Gambia banko kan banko leng e ka fumi developing country so akamta joron bagasol be tarnola tonkon nanola banko la tonkon nano yin so na lonko banjulo tano jama bagaso jamal be banjulle bari wayo ko nyim min be ni regional fananto doctor ni se nyin courant nyin suteno kata ba kay sajo ko isa tinna patient sol nyin e surata jaroro min na isnano banjul yanano awatola so na taro jang na ta walla andum farang ninyin programme nyin training banta be la fila doctor ni no sol ise nyin courant nyin suteno kata ba kay zaji ko patient sol rifano. Man Dr. Lamin Jetela, man consultant surgeon la, the Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital, moy lopitan bu mag bu nek Banjul. maa ngi am benn association tamit ñu ooyee Solis Foundation mooy association non profit dañ dee yëngatu si mbirim cancer dañ dee create awareness ñu xamal nit yi luy cancer especially breast cancer so ñoo organise training bii nii pour healthcare workers mooy ñu dee liggéey si wàllum wérgu yaram so da nga gis dañ ñëw tey si Basse mooy Upper River Region dañ demoon North Bank Region Central Bank West Coast ak Banjul so dañ def training bii nii dañ bugg a train almost 300 doctor nurse ak midwife ak public health officers si mbirim cancer breast cancer so da nga gis ne naka la ñoo xamee breast cancer ñu teel koo xamee naka la ñoo diagnose breast cancer pour ñu mën a xam breast cancer si patients yi da nga gis ne mën nañoo refer si mbirim breast cancer da nga gis ne yu bari including the Gambia pour faj breast cancer yombut da nga gis ne dafa laajte xaalis yu bari so da nga gis ne centre yi ñu dee faj breast cancer du dee mën a bari si dëkk bi so Banjul fu mu nekk nii foofu lañ dee fajee breast cancer so da nga gis kenn soo amee for instance breast cancer Basse fii nii war nañ ko mën a diagnose on time da nga gis ne mën nañ ko refer to Banjul kooku mu mën a am treatment nu ko war a amee so at the end of this training then buga healthcare workers at least you muna recognize breast cancer ñu ko teel a recognize ñu muna refer patients so dañu gis mun nañu am faj at the right time and the right manner.
Assalamu alaikum. Mi de wiye Dr. Fatmata Jite. Min ari ga Basse hande pour waɗugol train liggoto en l'hôpital liggotoɓen ko nder l'hôpital Basse e dulaji ɗin hunde ɗin takko Basse ga pour min jangina ɓe yeefi breast cancer pour min halna ɓe holɗum ɓe foti ndarude debbo so ari o heɓi goɗɗum ko endu makko maybe ko ƴiƴam woni iwde o heɓi comme ko waɗi hayre ko reedu ko makko honno watta ha honno ɓe foti wadde ha o foti heɓude honɗum o sohli fof pour o wawa yeɓude ceɓerde da ko yeefi endu men ari haalde Basse ga joni ni min fuɗɗike training on te min waɗi o training dulaji goɗɗi min fuɗɗitike Banjul min yeehi Foñi min yeehi Farafeñe min yeehi Bansang joni min Basse ɗo ko hande o training gasata kono min iɗon piiji buyi min jangi minen kadi min jangi kamɓe kadi ɓe jangi min jangineɓe woni kono minen kadi min jangude ko honɗum woni ɓe tampinde honɗum ɓe sohli piiji ɗi ɓe sohli ɗin pour ɓe wallita jama on ɓe fi cellal dal min woni min weltike ha Basse gila min ari ɗo min heeɓi ko min yiipiji comme min ko o woni first time na ara Basse kono komi yi kon ga dal machallah so opportunities no ga te ko ɗum min falade tap into min fala annude probléme ji honɗum taki rewɓe ɓen no iwa Basse ha Banjul ɓe arata law yeefi cellal endu ndun dal jarama joni simin gayni oɗo training min faala kontinde haldugol e liggotoɓe l'hôpital because ko min moƴƴini groupe ji pour min continue ɗon hara min yewta fi cellal endu ndun en honno rewɓe ɓen hewtirta honto ɓe foti hewtude e time on dal time delayed diagnose koɓe innata kon delayed diagnosis rewɓe ɓen arta law ɗum ko probléme so min continue haldugol e maɓɓe ko groupe ji kono min faala kadi heɓude haysi ko dula tosokun ni nder Banjul ɗo monɗa soɓe debbo ne heɓi probléme endu monɗa ɓe innaymo ko ɗo yaata te sa hewti ɗon tun a heɓay ko sohluɗa ko ɓe wallitete so ko on dulamin woni e ɗaɓɓude Banjul dar iya referral koɓe innata referral comme o l'hôpital innama yaako oɗa l'hôpital ɗum simin wawi heɓude ɗum ɗon simin iwi ga tun ko ɗum ɗon min yaata min golla yeefi ɗum ɗon kadi haray siko suudu min wawi heɓude liggotoɓe ɗon monɗa tuma anytime mo ɗiɗa debbo heɓude probléme endu ɗum ɓe wawi innude ko ɗo watamo naɓude ko ɗon because ɗum ɗon ala taw fof no ukkidiri e piiji goɗɗi ɗin dal so ko ɗum woni ham intention men on si min hewti inchallah jarama maa ngi tudd Dr. Fatmata Jite te ñu ngi ñëw Basse pour waxtaan yëfi feebari ween bi parce que gis nañ ne breast cancer dafa bëri te soo gisee jigéen yi day jógee fii bo Basse fii bo place yëpp Gambie Banjul lañ dee mujjee te time buñ fa dee eega fekk mi ngi daanaka leet na daal so loo tax ñu ne nañ jóg ñu jógee depuis Banjul dem place yi Gambie yëpp lañ bëgg a train healthcare workers yi mooy ñu dee liggéey lopitaan because wax ak jigéen yi rek yëfi breast cancer doyut dañ gis ne even ñu dee liggéey lopitaan dañ war a xam ñu raise awareness foofu as well te gis jigéen yi suñ ñëwee dinañ xam lan lañ leen war a defal fu mu nekk nii am na bagage yu gaay soxla pour ñu diagnose breast cancer sometimes du dee am gaay seen biiri lopitaan bi wala fuñ dee liggéey so maa ñu xam fan la ñooy mun a wax jigéen yi ñu dem because dafa am solo doo mën a ñëw nga am problème nga am xeer sa ween bi and then ñu ne la du dara jox la painkiller loolu doyut maa ñu test ween bi pour ñu xam maa ñu def scan maa ñu def luñ dee oyee histopathology so jigéen bu am ween xeer si ween bi maa ñu check ñaar yooyu noonu maa ñu scan ko ba pare maa ñu def luñ dee oyee histopathology so loolu lañ nekk awareness boobu lañ nekk di create si liggéeykati lopitaan yi ak naka la ñuy waxee jigéen yi ba gaay ñu mun a ñeme lopitaan bi ba gaay ñu mun a xam fan lañ war a dem because waxin bi tamit gis nañ ne problème la jigéen si ñëwee mu wax la sa problème bi am na nooy waxee moom du ñëwaat si demee du dellu so yooyu yëpp lañ nekk di xool waxin bi lan la gaay war a def lan la gaay war a ba pare ñun tam ñu déglu gaay lan la gaay soxla pour mun a dimbale jigéen yi place yëpp Gambie so nationwide training la depuis Banjul train nañ Koyna train nañ Fooñi train nañ Farafeñe Bansang ñu ngi mujjee Basse fii nii suñ xaymee yëpp dinañ mun a am about 300 trained healthcare workers ma feel ne loolu impact bi mooy ëppa dem ci rajo bi di wax yow kenn because soo jàngalut gaay naka ngay cegee ween bi si boppam daf dee jafe pour gaay mën a gis yenn problème yi foofu noonu so si ñibbee daal luñ bëgg a def mooy ñu ut benn place mbiri Banjul foofu noonu pour ñu ooyee ko breast clinic nga xam ne foo munti nekk Gambia su mun nañ lay rifaa foofu noonu nga dem am loo soxla sa lii bi pour nga am wér gu yaram jërëjëf
It's not an example, we're not trying to market or create anything. You just have the honesty, the way you know.